I have a Goodman CK60-1C. Replaced the dual-run capacitor last year. Been running fine this year until today. Found breaker tripped. Thermostat calling for cool and interior fan blowing, reset breaker and tripped again. Condenser fan starts to come on and compressor shakes a little, then breaker trips. Measured the 60+5 capacitor. 60 side gets to 60 but takes a few seconds. 5 side only reads 3.8.
Hello, my name is XXXXX I will assist you today. Was the replacement capacitor new? Either way, it sounds like it is weak.
It was new when I put it on last year.
I would also install a hard start kit to this unit. This is easy upgrade and gives the compressor more starting torque. I would replace the 65ths again.
I've seen those. Is there a certain size I need to get?
Try to find one that is American made, the ones from China have been known to fail.
The start kit, I mean.
1 second and I will check for you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the one I out on was Chinese.
I am taking picture, please be patient.
No problem.
Full size image.
I'll look them up.
I do have 2 more pics, having trouble getting them. I am still trying.
Not a problem, I can hang on a few more minutes.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. This is the hard start you will need, it is really easy to wire. The run capacitor is by MRAD part number USA 2220B60x5x370/440. Thank you for the rating. If I can assist you further, please let me know. Ron.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.